Good morning, class. Today I'm going to read the book Alphabet Under Construction. That's the title of the book, and it is written and illustrated by Denise Fleming. And if you look, there's this little mouse right here, and it looks like he is about to do a project. And on the back, it says on the top, work schedule, and it says what letters he's going to work on. And there's little notes underneath for what he needs to do. So under A, it says order tiles for T. So he's gone through and he's planned out his next few weeks. Guess what? I do the same kind of thing. When I'm getting ready to teach you, I plan out my next few weeks on a calendar so I know what I need to get ready. All right, here we go. Mouse, airbrushes, and A. Look, he's using a tool to paint an A. There we go. He buttons the B. He carves the C. He dyes the D. He erases the E. He folds the F. I wonder what the F is made out of. He glues the G. Notice the part he glues. He hangs the H. He ices the I. If I had to make a letter, I would probably make it out of cake and icing. He judges the J. He gives it a blue ribbon. He kinks the K. He levels the L. He measures the M. Nails the 9. OK's the O, and he has a list. It says sand, check. Paint, check. Ready to go, check. He prunes the P. He quilts the Q. He rolls the R with a paint roller. He saws the S. He tiles the T. He unrolls the U. He vacuums the V. He welds the W. Now, welding, every year somebody asks me what it means to weld something. And some of your dads or your moms might weld things. And when you weld is when you put metal together. So a few letters back, he talked about gluing the G. The G must have been made out of wood or something like that. When you put metal together, you actually can't glue it. You have to melt it so it welds together. So they use a welding machine that heats the metal up really, really, really hot, and it kind of melts it together where it needs to stick together, and that's how they put metal together. Our chairs in school, the legs are welded on, and if you have a metal chair or something that's made out of metal at your home, if you look at where the corners are, you're going to see that there's a place where they're melted together, and that's called welding. He x-rays the X, and he yanks the Y, and he zips the Z. Now, this mouse, he worked really hard to make all of the letters in the alphabet. Be sure to watch the thinking about the book so that you know what I want you to do to respond to this book, Alphabet Under Construction. Have a great day.